my name is Laurel Dans. I am from Portola Property Management. We service areas in Capitola, Santa Cruz, and the surrounding areas. Today, we are going to talk about life expectancy of the home items. The first one, carpet. Carpet, we do 7 years, depending on the carpet type. Whether it be nylon, nylon is definitely easier to repair and to maintain than a lot of the other ones. So the carpet we usually give 7 years. The interior paint, that is prorated over 3 years. So, usually the paint we give 3 years. Appliances, we do 6 to 10 years. The blinds, you can determine whether they need to be cleaned versus repaired or replaced. Water heaters, 8 years. HVAC, we do 15 years. The life expectancy will definitely increase with the higher quality items. So, there usually is a very, high quality item, a medium quality item, and then the rental grade item. So you definitely get a longer life expectancy if you, decide to go with the higher grade items. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.